Hey friends, welcome to Spinning Know-How. I'm Sarita. Thank you for the huge response to my videos. I'm really happy to share that I am going to complete my 1000 subscribers in meanwhile in another couple of days. And thanks for your response to my videos that my channel has completed 10,000 likes and the count is still going on. With all this enthusiasm, I am planning to bring all my information from my review diary in upcoming days. And today video is all about the IXL application or website. These days many applications are available for children to avail the knowledge from online platforms. Few of them are Byju's, Khan Academy, Vedantu, Topper and many more. If you can go to internet you can find it. But IXL is a maths and especially for maths and English practice website for kindergarten till 12th class. It is a subscription based website. You have to pay some monthly charges. It has unlimited questions on 1000 topics where students get the opportunity to excel in a particular topic by practice. And it is very colorful and illustrative form of learning. Kids really love the way the practice questions comes after with a timer, and the difficulty level of question is also increased when they give the exam. Exam means they have a set of practice questions. The layout of website is also very good, and the award section of kids is really interestingly created to give a feel of winner to the child who accomplished his or her questions thoroughly. So let's spin the knowledge and let's see what is in the application. Let's go to the website and see. So the website name is in.ixl.com and this is the sign in window. You have a username and password option here. Membership you can take. This is the learning section. If you go, it will ask for maths or English. So we have come to the maths section. So this is starting from lower kindergarten till class 12th. So if you see, this is everything is divided into class wise. From wherever your child is getting the knowledge, the practice is easily done here. That's as per my review. My child is using it for the last 2 years and I'm really happy with this. If you see the IXL English also, IXL English also from kindergarten till class 12th. And you can search topic as per topic also, like suppose your child wants to do in particular topic. Suppose this is the English section here, the word analysis, writing, pronouns, adjectives, whatever topic he feels that he has to do. So let's go to one class wise. I'll show you. Suppose I've gone in this class 3 English. You see it is very properly structured. Sentence structure, article, everything is topic wise, like nouns, pronouns, verbs, punctuations, capitalization, and it depends on the child ability to do. Like it's because it's of class wise, the level it depends on the section class wise. So as I told you that I have a membership, I'm logging in my account. It will give the two options of it will create two set of accounts, one for the parent and other for the child. So, and as you see, these are the certificate which she got after giving completion of the practice questions, and this is a basically booster for the child. So this is how my review for this website is. This is very good for the child full knowledge. If I go in class 4 maths, if you see here, yeah, it is also same way, starting from number system till addition, division, mix operation, everything is here. So if I go to one division, and if you see like this, you can preview also. And if you're not taking membership also, if you're not planning, you can have the practice questions of daily. You can practice 20 or 25 questions from here, but after 25 question it will say please take the membership. So if you want to test it, you can plan it. And here if I see this is I've gone to the division section. So this type of question it is come. Suppose you want to learn the logic behind it, they will tell how the question has been done, the full maths or English, whatever it is, they will teach you how to do it, but they don't have the section where they will teach you specifically, because it's a practice website. If something is wrong, like in this IXL English, I have come here, I have gone to the class shift section. Yeah, if you see here, I've gone to this pronoun. You can see, yeah, this is, and in the right side, if you see that the timer is also seen here. In this, it is asking like select the pronoun, so child has to maybe sometime enter and write, or sometime they have to just click and do. So in this section, just like second question has come, and on the right side the counter is question number has been increased, and the timer is also on. Yeah, this way it will keep on going, and in the last 5 questions will be little quite tough. So that the child will get knowledge of all the aspects, from starting from very easy to the hardest level. As you see, it is keep on going. They have to search the pronoun. Yeah, this is the way, and and this website give the boost to the child, because they have done their answers correct, right? Now it is going to be wrong. So what it does, it is say incorrect, and it gives a proper explanation like how it has been done and what are the rules and regulations of English. So this is a practice website, but if some child is not having the concepts clear, it will give the full concepts. And then after reading, so now this is, if you are not a member, it will say the daily practice limit has been reached. So you have to take a membership. I will tell in now, I'm going to tell now like what are the fee structure of membership. Become a member today. Yeah, this is how it is. So if you want, this is starting at $5.99 per month. So now I will tell you the fee structure. So if you want to become a member, it's a monthly plan and an annual plan. If you're going for an annual plan, it's rupees 949 for both maths and English for one child. But if you're choosing number 2, you can add on the number, but additional child will having only you have to pay rupees 150. Now the subject, if you don't want to go for both the subjects, maths or English, here I have chosen now English only, so the charges is only $5.99. So $5.99 for one child, and if you're taking for 2 kids, this is add 150 rupees in that. So this is the way it works. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and press the like button. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and keep watching my video. Thank you.